Hey yo guys, this is your boy retouch and I'm back again with another video. But this time I'll be doing something different. I'm going to show you how I took this picture from here to here. From here, as you can see, the color grading and the retouching to here. As you can see, it's color graded and it's retouched. Okay, let's meet inside the video. Please watch the video till the end so that you can understand everything that I did on this video. Okay, firstly I started with the color grading, so I'm just going to fast forward the video so that it doesn't take a long time. Let me do my stuff, then after we will meet there inside Photoshop so that I can show you how I did frequency separation on this particular image. Alright, here we go. Let me make the picture fit on the screen. Okay, first we are going to remove all the distractions that we see on the picture using the healing tool. We can increase the size by pressing the close bracket on your keyboard and then just paint over. All right, that's good. Firstly I'm going to duplicate my background layer twice by simply pressing Ctrl J twice. Okay, and then we have the first layer, which we will name, double click on the level 1 and then we will name it color, and then the other one we will name it texture. It's very important to name your layer so that you don't forget or which one is which one. Okay, first we go to the color layer and then okay, let's make texture layer not visible. Go to filter and then go to blur and then Gaussian blur. After like reset it to 0.1 and then select the part where you think it has high textures. So in this case I will be selecting my forehead because it is the place where I think it has got so many textures, and then I will slide the slider towards the right hand side slowly so that I can see where the textures start to disappear. Let me just make it 4.5. Okay, I think it works for me. Then click OK. After, you can make the texture layer visible and then select the texture layer, and then after go to image, go to apply image, and then go to on the layer, press color layer, and then since we are subtracting the colors from the textures or the textures from the colors, we will change our blending mode to subtract. Make sure your invert is not ticked, and then click OK. And then as you can see, it is all gray, so we want it to be visible. We will change our light mode to linear light so that it can be visible. Okay, then after you can zoom in your picture using control and a positive sign on your keyboard. Okay, I'm going to be using the mixer brush to blend in all the lights, like to mix the lights on her face. Okay, firstly I will need um, to make the texture layer not visible, so that I can be able to use the brush. Do not mix the lights with the darks, ne? Okay. uh, Make sure that you select the clean brush, and then my wetness is at 9%, load 75%, mix 90%, flow is on 100%. Make sure that the sample all layers is not ticked. Here we go. uh, you mustn't rush it, you will just learn it slowly. Each and every time when you move to the new color, you must just click there so that you don't mix the highlights with the shadows. As you can see, I will just fast forward it so that I cannot make this video very long. We will meet again on this particular video. Okay, so I think we are done. Mixing our shadows and our highlights. So now we are just going to remove the blemishes. You will just go to the texture layer, and then let's just zoom our picture. We are going to remove the blemishes and pimples here on our face. We will be using our clone stamp. Just press Alt and then click, then after you paste on your pimple, you see it's gone. So you just press Alt near the place that you want to remove the pimple, then you press left click, then you paste on the pimple, you see it's gone. So I will just fast forward it again. You will just carry on, like it's advisable that you start on the, like from the top to bottom, because if you just go there and there, you won't be able to remove all of them. So let me just fast forward the video. We will meet again. Bye. Okay, I think I'm done now. Let me slide the zoom to. As you can see, our skin has changed. Now it's retouched. Let me just create the group for this tool. You can press Ctrl G for group, then name it frequency separation, FS. And then as you can see, our before and after, before, after, before, after. Now I will just add them. Now I will just add the melanin tone on our model here. Firstly, you have to press the black and white layer, and then change the blend mode to multiply. As you can see, now our picture is dark, and then you have to decrease the opacity. I think around here it's fine. As you can see, before, after, before, or let me just decrease it a little bit. Before, after, before, after. Now I'm just going to apply a particular light that I got from YouTube. I will just show you how it works. Sorry about that. Right. Natural look, then press load. As you can see, I think I like the way it is. Let me just decrease the opacity a little bit. I think it's perfect. I think it's very perfect. As you can see, I think it's very perfect. Let me just whiten the eyes a little bit, because now they show the red veins. So let me just whiten them a little bit. Go to hue and saturation window, and then decrease it until you see your okay. I think here is fine. This is just the personal preference. Please don't let it always be negative 42. Just look at your eyes. Then I think for me the veins are much better. Let me decrease it a little bit. No, yeah, I think they are much better now. And then press Ctrl I to invert the mask, and then come to your take your brush, make sure it's on white, and then you paint over your white part on your eyeball. As you can see, the red veins are disappearing, they become desaturated. Please guys, bear with me, it's my first retouching video. Just decided to do it because most of the people keep on asking me, how did you retouch your photo, how do you color grade your photo? So that's when I decided to do my video. More videos will come, guys, please don't worry. I'll be doing a lot of, I think it's better now. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let me just decrease the saturation to 8. Yeah, now it's much better. As you can see, before, after, before, after. Yes guys, so if you want to know something, please comment on the comment section, and then I will do the video for you. And then thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much again. So this is the end of our video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.